Hello, we will learn Korean alphabet today. Korean alphabet is Hangul. So, are you guys ready? Okay, let's move. So, Korea, this is 태극기. 태극기, which is Korean flag. And Korea is a good place to live because here, here Korea, and then this part is only South Korea because North Korea we cannot go. No, it's not island, it's peninsula, but actually we are island. So we need airplane to go some other country. And here, as you see, there is many greens. So this part actually mountain and mountain like this. And 5 big river we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually in Korea we have 3 big rivers. But in Korea, the whole Korean from North Korea to South Korea, we have 5 big river and very clean water. And strong for season. So it's very good place to live. So they attack a lot because, as I say, people, it's really good to survive. So, okay, that is Korean's background. Next, the King Sejong, Great King Sejong, we call 세종대왕. So, 세종대왕, 대 means great, 왕 means king, and Sejong is name of the king. So we don't have many great kings, we have only 5 great kings. And he is the most respectful kings in Korea. He made Hangul in 15th century. So he made 1442, but 1446 he announced we made Hangul to all around the world because for 3 years he had to teach Korean language for peoples. Okay, so the Korean's language writing system Hangul made by King Sejong, and he made this Hangul for normal or poor people who don't have a chance to be educated, to be smart, to make a chance to get a better job. He want to make people smart. Then more people can support him because like how they feel if they can a good job, like if they be better than before, so they can read, they can write, then they can live better than now or before. So they really support King Sejong, and he think he need people for him, so he made the Hangul. So Hangul is 6 years old. Pretty new language than other language like English or Chinese or Arabic language. That kind of language has long history, so we don't know who made it, when made it, how made it. but Koreans are pretty new language. So when King Sejong made Korean language, he gathered all the language information around the world, and finally he chose good things from other language and then made a new language. And then he think like sound language important. If I speak by my pronunciation, I can write. So it's a sound language, which is really good to learn because it's convenient to make sound. So, and that's why it's very scientific language, because other languages good part. Korean's language, Korean's writing system got their good things. So, and as I said before, we know who made it, when made it, how and why made it. Because King Sejong wrote 훈민정음 to tell these things in the books. So I will show you the books. This is the book made by King Sejong. So this is Korean alphabet, and then he wrote why he made it and how he made it in the old books. So this is the books. Okay, let's go next. So 글자, the letter. I mean Korean alphabet, but make one sound, one perfect sound, we call 글자. So 글자 made by 자음 plus 모음, which is consonant plus vowel, and then become 글자. Okay, we have 19 consonant and 12 one vowel. Next, the consonant. The logic of consonant, the shape of mouth or tongues, or the location where the image of the location where the sounds came from. For example, this is 그 sound. And when you say 그 sound, your tongue shape become like this shape of tongues, 그. And then the tongue shape become 그 alphabet 그. And 느, when you say 느, this is 느 sound. And then when you say 느, your tongue shape become like this, 느, in your mouth. So it become 느 sound, like this, 그, 느. And then same mouth shape, but a little strong wind. And then it become 드 sound. 드 sound. So 느 and a little strong blow wind. 느, 드. So we add one line because it means this is a little strong sound than this, because we will add one line more. Like this. We will learn alphabet later. I just explain to understand better. And this one, the mouse shape. Mouse shape. 무 sound. The square is 무 sound in Korea. When you say 무 sound, your mouth becomes square. 무, 무. And a little bit strong sound. 푸, 무, 푸. Same mouth shape, but a little more wind we need. 푸 sound. And this one, the location of the sounds came from. Your teeth approach, and then the sounds come out. Sound, snake, sound. So the rules is like this, how we made a consonant using mouse. Okay, let's move. So 다음. So as I said before, this one is 그 sound, which is ground, 그 sound, ground, 그. And then this one is 느 sound, 느, noon, noon, afternoon, noon, 느 sound, 크느, 이렇게. And this one is dream, dreams, 드 sound, 드, dreams, dream, 드 sound, 드, 그느, 드, one more time, 그느, 드. And this one, L or R, numer or Rwanda, 르 sound, numer, Rwanda, 르 or 르, whatever it is. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, like this, and it connects. No blank. 1, 2, 3, like this. Lumière, 르. 그느드르. And then this one, 무브스. moon, like 느. moon, 1, 2, 3. moon. brain, B sound in English. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. sound. This one, S sound. 1, 2. snake, S sound. S. 무브스. 한번 해볼까요? Let's do one more time. 그느드르 무브스. 그느드르 무브스. Okay. So this is 장, simple consonant. And then this one is a little more. So this one, this one is